Ready to upgrade your life with furniture that actually thinks ahead? These incredible smart home pieces are designed to save space, boost comfort, and make everyday living feel effortless. From hidden storage to tech-packed designs, everything works smarter so you don't have to. Check the links in the description to explore them all. Forget everything a fireplace is supposed to look like. This suspended wood-burning fireplace hangs dramatically from the ceiling, becoming the undisputed centerpiece of any room it enters. Fully enclosed with wraparound glass panels, the dancing flames are visible from every angle. No bad seat in the house. It burns real wood logs up to 50 centimeters long, delivering genuine warmth alongside that irreplaceable crackling ambiance you simply can't fake. Handcrafted in France, every detail reflects serious artisan quality. This isn't just a heating solution, it's a sculptural statement piece that transforms an ordinary room into something truly unforgettable. Less is more, and this table proves it beautifully. Crafted entirely from crystal clear acrylic, it delivers the elegant look of glass without the weight or fragility. Its see-through form does something clever in smaller rooms. It visually disappears, making your space feel open and uncluttered rather than cramped. The mid-century inspired base adds just enough shape and character to keep it interesting. Works equally well as a coffee table, side accent, or reception piece. It blends into virtually any decor style without competing for attention. Quick to assemble, easy to wipe clean, and genuinely stunning. Equal parts furniture and escape pod. This oversized egg-shaped chair wraps completely around you, creating a private cocoon that muffles outside noise and lets you fully switch off from the world. The enclosed design isn't just cozy, it actively absorbs sound, making it a genuinely calming space for kids and adults alike, including those with sensory sensitivities. Inside, remote-controlled lights set whatever mood you need, and a built-in Bluetooth speaker plays music directly from your phone. It spins a full 360 degrees, so you can face any direction you like. Your own little world, right in your living room. One piece of furniture, endless possibilities. This convertible desk transforms seamlessly from a full dining table into a home office workstation, gaming setup, or shared double desk, all without moving it to another room. Perfect for apartments and smaller spaces where every square foot counts. It's wide enough to comfortably fit two 27-inch monitors side by side for serious productivity, then folds and adjusts back into dinner party mode when your workday ends. Built from solid hardwood with a powder-coated steel frame, it's sturdy enough to handle whatever role you throw at it. Your space just got a whole lot smarter. This sideboard is secretly smarter than it looks. Open the cabinet doors and motion sensor RGB lights automatically illuminate the inside. No fumbling in the dark. No wasted energy. A built-in charging station with 2 USB ports and 2 outlets keeps all your devices powered right on the countertop. 3 smooth drawers and 2 spacious lower cabinets swallow up tableware, appliances, wine bottles, and more with ease. The waterproof countertop handles up to 100 pounds, making it equally perfect as a coffee bar, kitchen storage unit, or dining room statement piece. Style, storage, and smart tech, all in one sleek cabinet. The nightstand that works as hard as you do, even at 2 a.m. This compact bedside table packs in 2 storage drawers, an open shelf, a built-in charging station, and soft LED lighting all in one tidy package. Your phone charges overnight without hunting for a cable, and the warm ambient glow means no more blinding yourself with the overhead light. Solid wood legs give it a sturdy, premium feel that looks far more expensive than it is. Small enough to fit in tight spaces, yet spacious enough to hold everything you need within arm's reach. Bedroom organization, finally sorted. Books shouldn't be buried, they should be on display. This spinning 4-tier bookcase lets you access your entire collection with a single, effortless rotation. No digging through piles or crouching down required. Clear acrylic panels paired with a solid wood frame give it a sleek, modern look that feels right at home in a living room, bedroom, or kids' playroom. Adjustable dividers let you customize each shelf into 1 to 4 sections, fitting everything from chunky picture books to paperbacks. It holds up to 100 books in a surprisingly small footprint. Functional, beautiful, and genuinely fun to spin. This TV stand has serious personality, and it's not afraid to show it. Inspired by vintage television design, it features a warm wood frame, retro antenna detail, and rounded, polished edges that make it look like a collector's piece straight from a mid-century living room. Brushed stainless steel splayed legs keep it sturdy and balanced, while built-in 360-degree locking wheels let you roll it anywhere and lock it in place instantly. A rear cable pass-through hides all your cords, and a leather-accented lower shelf keeps remotes and accessories organized. Nostalgic looks, modern functionality. Your TV finally has a stand worthy of it. Forget everything you thought a sofa could be. This 2-seater packs 296 liters of hidden storage under its seats, enough for yoga mats, blankets, kids' toys, and more. A built-in adjustable tray table slides out when you need it, marble or wood cup holders keep your drink close, and armrest compartments hold your laptop, books, and snacks. The upgraded version even has built-in charging outlets and app-controlled ambient lighting underneath. Covers are fully removable and machine washable, perfect if you have kids or pets. Modular by design, you can expand it as your space grows. It's not just a sofa. It's a whole living system. Good shelving shouldn't steal the show. It should let your stuff shine. This shaker-inspired wall shelf does exactly that, with clean lines, solid ash construction, and a warm wood finish that works in virtually any room. No tools needed, shelves slot into precision-milled grooves and lock in place in seconds. Each unit holds up to 90 pounds, and you can connect multiple units together to build something completely custom. Whether you need one simple shelf or an entire wall of storage, it scales with you. 3 finish options mean it fits your space, not the other way around. Your morning routine deserves a serious upgrade. This double-sink bathroom vanity comes loaded with everything you'd expect in a luxury hotel bathroom, and then some. A smart mirror cabinet clears fog instantly with one touch and displays the time, so you're never scrambling to find your phone. Soft embedded LED lighting creates a warm, flattering glow that makes getting ready genuinely enjoyable. 4 oversized drawers, open shelving, and a layered mirror cabinet swallow up every toiletry you own with room to spare. Silent, soft close drawers and hinges mean no more early morning cabinet slamming. A coffee table that pulls a disappearing act in the best possible way. This smart square accent table features an automatic drawer that glides open at your touch, hiding remotes, books, and everyday clutter completely out of sight. The mirrored surface reflects light beautifully, making any room feel larger and more luxurious instantly. Built with precision craftsmanship and premium materials, it's sturdy enough for daily use while looking like it belongs in a 5-star hotel lobby. Equally at home in a living room, bedroom, or entryway, it's the kind of piece that makes guests stop and ask questions. Some chairs you sit in. This one you sink into and forget the world exists. A French design icon since 1973, this fireside chair has earned its legendary status with deeply quilted cushioning and a signature enveloping silhouette that wraps around you like a hug. The combination of rich leather and soft graphite textile gives it a look that's equal parts cozy and sophisticated. Elegant top stitching traces its curves, adding a tailored, fashion-forward detail that makes it as beautiful as it is comfortable. pair it with the matching footstool, and you've got yourself the ultimate relaxation corner. Your bedroom and home office just became the same room in the best way possible. This wall bed folds down from a full desk setup into a cozy sleeping space in seconds. The magic? A clever mechanism keeps everything on your desk exactly where you left it, even while you're switching between work mode and sleep mode. It fits neatly against the wall, freeing up your floor for whatever you need. Available in multiple sizes to suit different rooms, and built with sustainably sourced materials backed by a lifetime warranty. Small space, big life. This makes both possible. Imagine your TV simply disappearing into the wall when you're done watching. That's the magic of this wall-mounted sliding panel media unit. Sleek panels glide effortlessly to conceal your screen and all the messy cables and equipment behind it. Ambient LED lighting adds a warm, sophisticated glow that instantly elevates any room. You can customize it with drawers, storage cabinets, a fold-down desk, or open shelving in virtually any size or finish you want. Whether your style is warm wood or cool lacquer, this system adapts completely to your space. Entertainment reimagined, clutter eliminated. What if your tiny apartment could secretly hide a walk-in closet, home office, and entertainment center, all in one wall? That's exactly what this robotic furniture system does. At the touch of a button or a voice command, it silently expands to reveal shelving, hanging space, built-in LED lighting, and even a fold-down desk. When you're done, it contracts and gives your living space back. Born from MIT research, it's engineered for real life. Families, couples, roommates, anyone crammed for space. Available in 3 finishes and 3 sizes, this isn't just furniture, it's your entire room, reimagined. Your living room just called? It wants an upgrade. This sleek sectional sofa combines plush leather seating with a built-in LED console that glows like something straight out of a sci-fi film. The ambient lighting sets the perfect mood whether you're hosting friends or just unwinding after a long day. Spacious enough for the whole family, it supports multiple seating arrangements without eating up your entire room. Integrated storage keeps remotes, books, and clutter out of sight. Available in black and white, it pairs beautifully with minimalist decor, comfort, style, and atmosphere, all in one seriously impressive piece of furniture. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.